Well. I know it's been a long ass time since I posted any updates about the coupe. Still have it, and as you can see, I have lots of stuff. I finally got the powder coated parts back and all the bushings pressed in. Still waiting on one knuckle. My buddy couldn't find the bearing, so he's going to order me a new one. But I have everything that I need to start reassembling this car. Clarence drove up this morning. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. I started working downtown again, managing a bar. So I'm tired and I have to work tonight, but we're going to get this done. As you guys saw last time, the wheel wells have all been undercoated. Everything is looking fresh. Hopefully everything goes as planned. We're going to get started, try to get this done today. Stick around.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So we got a lot done. We got as much done as we could. Like I said, Travis still has one of my knuckles. He needs to push the bearing in, so hopefully I'll get that this week, but I'll show you guys what we got done. Here's the rear. Obviously, I'm still missing pads and rotors. I'm going to pick some up soon. Everything else has been installed. Brand new hubs, new bearing, new bushings, camber kit. And this is the side that we had the spindle. I still need to install the sway bar end links, and I need to get calipers, rotors, and pads for the front as well. I'm going to order the Willwood kit, but I'm probably going to wait till after I move, so more than likely I'll just install the parking brake cables and be able to park the car that way for now. Still need to get some tires on those wheels. But as you can see, the subframe looks super shiny. Really happy with the way all this stuff's turning out. It's gonna be a clean build. Still need to install the rack. Didn't have time to do that today, but I got everything right here. Garage is destroyed. I got to rush to go take a shower and go to work now, so I'll keep you guys updated. Till then, take it easy. All right, so clearance came back out. We are torquing everything down. I'm about to connect the parking brakes. I don't have the front brake caliper kit yet. We need to install the rack and pinion and the outer tie rods. We need to connect the sway bar end links, and then I have 2 brackets for the sway bar bushings that I forgot I had, so I need to take off the old ones and put the new ones on. We got new lug nuts, so hopefully we're gonna get it off of the jack stands. Stay tuned. Alright guys, there you have it. Off of jack stands, sitting in my driveway. Just trying to get a good view of the wheels. It's been a crazy month. We're moving this week. That's why I had to rush to get this thing down. I didn't record a lot of the stuff today that I should have. We were in a time crunch. We split up and I was doing some things, he was doing some other things, and we just did whatever we had to do to get it done before dark, and we barely made it. I didn't really record the stuff that we did in the front. People kept calling me, texting me from the bar, so we just did what we could as far as recording goes. But sorry I haven't been uploading as much stuff. It's been a crazy 6 months, and we are buying a house. So as soon as I get the new garage set up, it's going to be a lot different for me with this car. I'll be able to do things the way I want to do it. So I'm excited and I'm exhausted. I got like 4 hours of sleep. I just wanted to show you guys the car in the driveway. It's been on jack stands for over a year, so I feel pretty accomplished right now. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and hopefully I'll be uploading a video soon when I get in the new house and start working on the